Hey there planners, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi. Welcome to our first spread of 2022. I am getting better. I'm still sick, but I'm getting better. So I want to do the first spread of the year with you guys. Oh my gosh, I've been waiting for months and months to use this. This is the Mist Maker for 2022. And this is actually my first time using the checklist layout from the Happy Planner. I don't know if this is something they had before or if this is new. Because when I started with the Happy Planner was back in 2019, and I don't remember this layout before this Mist Maker. So all right, so because it's my birthday week, I want to do a birthday, like a happy girly spread. I have this kit right here, which I thought I had more sheets from this kit, but I don't. I only have this one, so I don't think it's gonna be enough, but I really wanted to use this one. And this is from Plan with Michelle, and I'll leave you her information below. Her website is no longer 365. Now it's Plan with Michelle, which is awesome because her YouTube channel is the same name, and her Instagram. I have this one that is a full kit. You guys, look at this pretty one. This butterfly one. I'm thinking maybe I can use this for my birthday. So this is my second choice. And then I have just complimentary boxes here with flowers and stuff, and date covers, months. So let me see what I'm gonna do. Because I don't have a full kit, so I'm not gonna use this one. Although I wanted to, I'm gonna go for this kit. I'm not sure exactly what the name of this kit is, but it comes with 3 pages. You have washi, full boxes, half boxes, quarter boxes, dots, checklist. You have decorative full boxes here, and then you have some deco. So for sure, I want to cover this, and we're going to use this butterfly. Oh, actually, you know what? We can use this butterfly here. This should work. Yeah, perfect. You know what? Yeah, we're gonna add the month here, and then we're gonna add a flower. But which one? There you go. And we just make it like one big. Oh, that's pretty. I kind of want to add the washi, but I don't know where. Let me see if this washi maybe do like a border here. Just to add a little bit of color. Yeah, that's cute. And whether I add boxes or not, it's gonna be okay. There you go. Oh yeah. So how was your New Year's Eve, you guys? How was your, do you celebrate? Were you sick like me? We didn't do anything. Yeah, I was sleeping by like, I don't know, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, something like that. Which is a shame, but you know what? A lot of people, are getting sick actually. So yeah, a lot of people that we know are getting sick, and that's terrible. On this page, there are little stars or gems or glitter, something like that. So I'm gonna add them. Let's set this little butterfly. Gonna add this little butterfly here. I feel like the date should be darker on this. Okay, so this is like a little set of, I don't know, like little gems or something. So, you know, I was never like a kit kind of girl until I started purchasing from Michelle, and also from, who else do I purchase from? Simply Gilded, from Plan with Michelle, from Glittery Life Plans, from So Cute Planner. I think those were like my first kits, and it makes such a big difference, you guys. It really does. Oh, you know what I put? I put February here. I put the wrong month, you guys. Wow. It's my birthday week and I even put the wrong month. Oh my gosh. Well, in my defense, I'm still sick. I'm still sick. I'm still sick. All right. Good thing you guys told me, because I would have just left it there. That's why we have to do like a life plan with me, so you guys can help me. No. There you go. So let me finish the sidebar here. I'm gonna do this pink, this purple, and this white one. All right. These lines, you guys, are extremely light, okay? I can hardly see them, which I guess is good, but then again, it's not, because my eyes are not the best. So, oof, it's a little crooked, but we're just gonna let it be. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a little flower or something. So for my birthday, let's see. We'll come back to you. Okay. The star here. Oh. All right. Okay, so now that I'm gonna put my birthday here, And we are gonna do, I think we're gonna go this way and then up. All right, so let's go here, this one here. Then we go up this way, and then you know what, we'll go unless we go here. Yeah, we'll go here. Okay, for here, this stickers are so pretty, you guys. They're very delicate, and the sign is very, very delicate and very girly. I really like it. So I'm gonna go here, then here, and then here. Is that gonna look good? Well, we're gonna try. We are gonna try. I'm trying to get them straight, okay, but you know. And the last one down here is going to be this flower one. Oh, but I have a flower here. Oh, what about this big butterfly? I think I want to do some washi down here. There we go. Okay. And this one's going to be shorter because it's for this side. There we go. Okay, I'm liking that. So now let's add the weekend. The weekend. Actually, one of his songs are like, it's like my favorite right now. But I'm not gonna say which one because I don't know how that works. All right, what will you guys do? Will you guys put it on top, like right there? Or will you put it here? Or do we just leave the middle like functional with no deco? But it's gonna look weird. This one looks weird already. We're missing here and here. Okay, so we're gonna have to add something here and here. I think I know what I'm gonna do. What do we do, you guys? Or do we just bring the weekend down here? No, I kind of like it up here. Maybe we're gonna add some washi to this first line right here. And then we're gonna add the weekend. Yeah. Okay, so we have the weekend there, and because this looks kind of weird right here, empty here and empty here, we're gonna add something here to the corners. So let's do, what don't we do? this right here. And then one down here. Thursday, let me see, Thursday should be fine. Little star can go here. I don't know what to add over here on the checklist other than just deco. Maybe some dots here. This is so pretty. It's an envelope and it has flowers and it has gold like trim around it. It's so pretty. Okay guys, so I think I am good for my birthday week. Oh, let me put birthday here just in case I forget. Oops. I know. Let me put this in my planner and I'll be right back. All right, so here's my spread for the week of January the 3rd through the 9th. My birthday is on the 3rd, and I just wanted something girly, you know, for my birthday week. And I use this kit from Plan with Michelle. I can't remember the name of this kit, but it's so pretty and the colors are just so beautiful. And the touch of black and gold is just perfection. I really enjoy this. I hope that you like this plan with me. As soon as I get better, I'll bring more videos to you guys. I wish you the best week. Happy 2022. I have a code for a Plan with Michelle. You can use Mimi15 to get 15% off and a little sampler, which is super cute. If you like makeup and pink and leopard and stuff, you'll like it. Super cute. And I updated Michelle's website, so it's working now. So you can check her out. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. And like always, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.